Hey there! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about IBM's recent decision on AI. IBM's decision to replace nearly 8,000 jobs with artificial intelligence technology is a significant development in the ongoing debate over the impact of automation on the workforce. While AI has the potential to increase efficiency and reduce costs, it also raises concerns about the displacement of human workers and the potential social and economic consequences of such displacement. One of the main concerns is the impact on the workforce, particularly on those who may be most vulnerable to job loss. This includes lower-skilled workers and those in industries that are most susceptible to automation, such as manufacturing and customer service. Without adequate support and retraining, these workers may struggle to find new employment opportunities, leading to long-term unemployment and economic hardship. Another concern is the potential impact on society as a whole. With fewer jobs available, there may be increased inequality, social unrest, and a reduced tax base to support essential services such as education and healthcare. Furthermore, the concentration of wealth and power in the hands of those who control AI technologies may exacerbate existing social and economic disparities. However, there are also potential benefits to the use of AI in the workplace. By automating repetitive or dangerous tasks, AI technology can reduce the risk of workplace accidents and injuries, while freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. Additionally, AI can help companies to increase efficiency and productivity, leading to greater profitability and economic growth. Ultimately, the impact of IBM's decision to replace nearly 8,000 jobs with AI technology will depend on how it is implemented and the measures taken to mitigate its potential negative consequences. It is essential that policymakers, businesses, and workers come together to address these issues and ensure that the benefits of automation are shared fairly and equitably. One potential solution to address the negative consequences of AI-driven automation is to invest in retraining and upskilling programs for workers who are most at risk of job displacement. This can help workers to acquire new skills that are in demand in emerging industries, such as data analysis and cybersecurity, and transition to new jobs in these sectors. Another solution is to implement policies that promote greater worker protections and ensure that the benefits of automation are shared more fairly. This can include measures such as minimum wage laws, social safety nets, and progressive taxation policies. Additionally, businesses can play a role in addressing these concerns by adopting responsible AI strategies that prioritize the ethical and equitable use of AI technology. It is also important for policymakers and businesses to recognize that the impact of AI-driven automation is not uniform across all industries and occupations. Some industries and occupations may see increased job growth and demand as a result of automation, while others may experience significant job losses. Understanding these dynamics and developing targeted solutions for each sector can help to minimize the negative consequences of automation and promote a more equitable transition to the future of work. To address these concerns, businesses and policymakers must prioritize the development of responsible AI strategies that prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability. This can include implementing measures such as algorithmic auditing and bias testing to identify and address potential biases in AI systems, as well as engaging in inclusive and diverse hiring practices to ensure that the workforce developing and implementing AI technologies represents a range of perspectives and experiences. Ultimately, the impact of AI-driven automation on the workforce and society will depend on how it is implemented and the measures taken to address its potential negative consequences. By prioritizing responsible AI strategies and investing in retraining and upskilling programs for workers, businesses and policymakers can help to ensure that the benefits of automation are shared more fairly and equitably, and that the workforce is equipped to succeed in the jobs of the future. In conclusion, while the use of AI technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, it is important to critically analyze its impact on the workforce and society as a whole. IBM's decision to replace nearly 8,000 jobs with AI technology underscores the need for policymakers, businesses, and workers to work together to ensure that the benefits of automation are shared fairly and equitably, and that measures are in place to mitigate its potential negative consequences. Moreover, it is important to consider the ethical implications of the use of AI technology in the workplace. AI algorithms can perpetuate biases and discrimination if they are trained on biased data or if they are not designed with fairness and equity in mind. This can have significant negative consequences for marginalized groups, who may already face barriers to employment and economic opportunity.